Looking for the perfect start for your little one? The best cradle for newborn offers comfort, safety, and peaceful sleep. With soft cushioning, gentle rocking, and sturdy design, it ensures your baby rests soundly while you relax worry-free. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. BCOL Cradle for Newborn. The BCOL Cradle for Newborn is a versatile, thoughtfully designed baby bassinet that caters to parents seeking convenience, comfort, and safety in one product. One of its most impressive features is its 3-in-1 convertible design. This cradle can be used as a standalone crib, attached to an adult bed as a bedside sleeper, or transformed into a rocking crib that mimics the natural swaying motion of parents. This flexibility allows parents to adjust the cradle according to their baby's needs, whether for daytime naps or nighttime sleep. Another standout feature is the height adjustability, with 3 different positions that can be changed effortlessly using side buttons. This ensures compatibility with almost any bed or sofa height, and allows parents to create a slight incline for their infant, helping to reduce reflux and make feeding sessions more comfortable. Safety is a core focus in this cradle's design. Its stable, sturdy structure is complemented by a double-sided mesh that ensures optimal airflow, breathability, and visibility, allowing parents to monitor their baby closely. The interior space is also generous, providing room for the baby to move comfortably, while additional features like 4 silent wheels with brakes, a firm mattress, a mosquito net, a large storage basket, and a side pocket for bottles enhance practicality. The BCOL Cradle is certified by CPC, ASTM, and CPSIA standards, demonstrating a commitment to rigorous safety and quality. Overall, it combines adaptability, security, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent investment for new parents who prioritize both convenience and their baby's well-being. Number 2. KoolerThings Cradle for Newborn. The KoolerThings Cradle for Newborn is designed for parents who want a practical, multifunctional solution that combines safety, comfort, and portability. Its 4-in-1 design allows it to function as a standalone cradle, bedside sleeper, portable play area, and a take-anywhere crib, making it suitable for babies aged 0 to 8 months. One of the key benefits is the bedside sleeper mode, which is particularly ideal for breastfeeding mothers. By positioning the bassinet right beside the bed, parents can enjoy easy nighttime feeding and monitoring, reducing stress and helping both the mother and baby sleep more soundly. The cradle offers 5 height adjustments, ensuring compatibility with most beds and sofas, which adds a level of convenience not often found in standard bassinets. Portability is another strong feature. The KoolerThings Cradle is lightweight yet sturdy, with a durable aluminum frame and tool-free setup that allows it to be moved effortlessly from room to room or folded compactly for travel. 4 smooth glide wheels make relocation easy, while the rounded corners protect the baby from potential injuries. Storage solutions have also been thoughtfully integrated into the design. A spacious compartment beneath the cradle keeps essentials such as diapers, burp cloths, and other baby necessities within reach, eliminating frequent trips to another room. The materials are soft, non-irritating, and baby-friendly, ensuring a safe and comfortable environment. In summary, the KoolerThings Cradle for Newborn is a multifunctional, portable, and thoughtfully designed bassinet that provides a blend of safety, comfort, and convenience, making it a top choice for modern parents who value ease of use alongside superior care for their little one. Number 3. BIERUM Cradle for Newborn. The BIERUM Cradle for Newborn is a premium bedside bassinet that emphasizes safety, comfort, and adjustable functionality. Crafted from a high-quality steel alloy frame, the cradle is both lightweight and sturdy, offering a secure environment for newborns up to 6 months or 33 pounds. The materials are skin-friendly and soft, featuring 100% polyester microfiber that is gentle against delicate baby skin. Safety compliance is a top priority, as the BIERUM Cradle meets ASTM and CPSC standards, providing parents with peace of mind. Its 3-in-1 design makes it highly adaptable. It can be used as a side-down baby bed, standalone crib, or bedside sleeper. The spacious mattress is extra thick and made of high-density memory foam, supporting proper spinal alignment and offering a comfortable sleep surface. One of the cradle's most noteworthy features is its height and angle adjustability. With 7 levels of height adjustment and a single-sided incline option, parents can customize the cradle to fit any bed or sofa and provide anti-reflux positioning after feeding. The bedside attachment feature is equally convenient, with safety straps ensuring the cradle stays secure and preventing movement while the baby sleeps. Ease of mobility and maintenance is also considered, as the cradle has 4 casters for smooth relocation, and the fabric components are removable for easy washing. The combination of thoughtful safety measures, versatile functionality, and comfort-driven design makes the BIERUM cradle an excellent option for parents who want a reliable and adaptable sleeping solution that prioritizes both their baby's well-being and nighttime convenience. Number 4. Venowu Cradle for Newborn. The Venowu Cradle for Newborn offers a modern, safe, and highly adaptable sleeping solution for infants. Safety is at the forefront of its design, meeting ASTM and CPSIA standards with non-toxic, high-quality materials to provide a secure environment for babies. One of the most appealing features is its 3-in-1 functionality, allowing parents to switch effortlessly between bedside sleeper, standalone crib, and rocking cradle modes. This versatility ensures the cradle can meet varying daily needs, from peaceful nighttime sleep to comfortable daytime napping. Height adjustability is another practical feature, with 6 levels to accommodate most adult beds, ensuring ease of access for parents during nighttime care. The Venowu cradle also incorporates thoughtful structural design elements, such as a detachable mosquito net for protection against insect bites, silent wheels with brakes for smooth mobility, and a golden triangle support structure to enhance stability and safety. Additionally, a storage basket is included to keep baby essentials conveniently within reach. For nighttime breastfeeding or monitoring, the bedside sleeper mode allows parents to unzip the side panel and secure the cradle to the adult bed, ensuring close proximity while maintaining a safe sleep surface for the baby. The combination of user-friendly features, mobility, and safety considerations makes the Venowu cradle a reliable choice for parents seeking a high-quality and adaptable bassinet. Number 5. Xeoca Cradle for Newborn. The Xeoca Cradle for Newborn is a robust and versatile baby bassinet that emphasizes safety, comfort, and adaptability. Constructed from carbon steel, the cradle offers a stylish, yet durable frame that is both sturdy and flexible. Its 3-in-1 functionality allows it to be used as a standalone cradle, bedside sleeper, or rocking crib, providing parents with multiple options depending on the baby's needs and their own convenience. One side can be positioned as a bedside cradle, making nighttime care easier, while the casters allow smooth movement across rooms. Height and angle adjustability is another standout feature, with 6 levels of height and tilt, ensuring compatibility with various beds, sofas, or living spaces. The adjustable tilt feature is particularly useful in preventing infant reflux and aiding feeding sessions. Safety has been thoughtfully integrated, with a side opening equipped with a lock that only adults can operate. Moving the cradle is effortless due to the 4 swivel casters, each equipped with an automatic locking system to secure the bassinet when in bedside mode. Additional features, such as a removable mosquito net and breathable mesh sides, enhance both comfort and safety. Parents can also conveniently store baby essentials in the integrated storage basket, making daily use highly practical. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.